Hello, this is Bob, and we got a message for you. There's some birds coming into town. And these are some special birds. And we don't like how you've been treating the birds. We got to be nice to the birds, respecting other people's property. Rise up this morning, smiling at the rising sun. 3 little birds stop by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of memories pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Treat the birds well. Respect other people's property. Respect innovation. Respect the changing world. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.